Hi friends, month of May is over and today I'm gonna show you what I have earned across the month of May from various stock photography agencies, right? Two things I need to tell you. Number one, total I have got 3,200 photos across all stock photography agencies. I mean, I'm a non-exclusive contributor, so I upload same photo into various agencies, alright? And number two, since I'm a doctor and a hobbyist photographer, I do photography part time. Since last 1.5 months, I have literally uploaded zero photo. Whatever part time I get during weekends, Sundays, I record YouTube videos. So literally, I didn't get any time at all to upload any photo into any stock photography agency. So whatever you see is totally from my residual income from the portfolio. This is the real passive income that I keep talking about. You invest and then you earn when you don't do anything actively, right? So first I will start with black box. Okay, so I will start with low and I will go to high. In black box, my past 90 days earning is actually zero. I don't upload videos. Okay, I had only one sale till date, that was $16.28. Okay, next, Alami. Alami is very interesting. I had one sale on 11th May. Okay, however the earning is showing zero. I think it was refunded, the contributor refunded something. It happens in all stock photography agencies. So in all, Alami I had one sale but the earning is $0. I will upload a new video on Alami when a contributor contract is coming in July 2021. It will be valid from July. So what do you need to know exactly? I'll make a video on it. Next, from Pixie, an Indian website, mainly anyway anybody can contribute, but from Pixie I had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sales in the month of May. All right, and I have added the values. These values that you see are in Indian rupee. Okay, I have added the values and it comes out to be around 2.69 US dollar. Okay, next, IM. Okay, in IM, in last month's video, if you saw my last month's earning video, I was in $8. Okay, and now I have reached the payout limit. You know, IM payout limit is $10. So I have counted from last month. Total I had 10 photo sales, 10 license sold, and $4 earnings. So now I'll payout request on IM. One thing to note that I have also reached the payout request on Pixie. It means I have reached the minimum balance beyond which I can request payout from these websites. Okay, so here you go. In Stockerville, I had two sales in the month of May. You can see this is in April 25/4. So 14th April and 25th April, two sales, $2.4 each, right? Next, in CanStock. Okay, in CanStock, you can see I had two sales on the month of May. In the month of May, I'm sorry, $2. Okay. Pond 5, in Pond 5, I had only one sale on 16th May and it gave me around $1.38. In Pond 5, you get 50% commission just like Alami. So $1.38 from Pond 5. Okay, from Big Stock. Big Stock, 13 images were sold and $3.75 my earning. Okay, I am yet to reach the another payout on Big Stock. You see, I have already requested two such because the minimum payout balance is $30. Okay, now I am on 88. As soon as I reach 30, so I can request another payout. You can see I have requested two payout. One was on July 17, 2020 and one was on May 9th, 2019. Right? So these are my earnings from Big Stock, 13 images, $3.75 US, right? In 123 RF, in 123 RF, all total 9 photos were sold and $5.36 US. Okay, not bad. Not bad because I didn't do anything. So it's very good. Whatever is coming, I am lucky. Okay, so next is actually Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock, I have sorted from May 1st to May 31st and $15 from 26 sales. Okay, $15.17 from 26 sales in Adobe Stock. Next, iStock by Getty Images. Okay, in iStock by Getty Images, I made a video already. For May 2021, 119 photos were sold with an average of $0.31 and 37.48 37.04 US dollar. Okay, actually I should have moved iStock to the top anyway, because I missed something. I missed sales from deposit photos. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 sales from deposit photos. Okay, and all of them are 0.25 US dollar after tax, and only one of them have been taxed actually. So 15% tax. I think this was a US based sales, rest are not sold in US. So one 21 cents and rest 25 cents. So you can do the math. And in case of Dreams Time, in Dreams Time I had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sales in Dreams Time. Nothing was big, $0.38 standard issue, right? My second best, surprisingly, okay, I didn't show you deliberately, okay, is Wirestock. Well, in Wirestock, I had, you can see the result, it's 50.79 US dollar. It's quite surprising. So last 30 days, and let's see the details. I think, I don't know what has happened. These are extended license sales. I think each and every sales gave me $4.25. I don't know, last time something like this happened and my Adobe Stock account got banned. Okay, I had very high sales. I couldn't explain, but they blocked my account. I don't think my Wirestock account will be blocked. Again, disclaimer, I didn't even contribute to Wirestock also in last 1.5 months. Okay, I tell this because I started Wirestock because I didn't have time. I simply used to upload photos without any title, keyword, description, and they did the thing for me. But you know what, just randomly uploading doesn't give you anything. You still need to edit those photos, you still need to correct them, but I don't have any time. So there's that. So in Wirestock, I see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 photos and $50, right? It's huge. So it means I have also reached the payout limit on Wirestock, because Wirestock pays you $30 at the month end automatically. So let's see if it gets paid out. I'll definitely make my first payout video on Wirestock, a separate dedicated video, right? And last but not the least, I guess you have guessed right now, okay, the number one selling agency, whose name I cannot take because it's against the terms of service. Okay, for that agency, which is my best seller, if you display your account publicly, your account will be banned. It has happened to me. Your upload will be disabled. Then I had to send too many mails for sorry, apology, I deleted my previous earnings videos. But here you can see, and you can have an idea. In that agency I had 137 sales, okay, and 99.87 US dollar. Okay, so I think it was the best month yet. Not in terms of earning, because I already had $137 in July last year. Okay, but in terms of all-time earning, you see it has equaled my previous record of 137, which was in October 2020. Right? So I have added the whole thing. Okay, you can see number one, Butterstock. I have added all. I have added Dreams Time, deposit photos, everything. And 195 from Pix I have converted into US dollar, and it comes out to be around 231.13 US dollar, and I have actually converted the 231.13 US dollar. So my total earning for the month of May is 16,802 rupee. So if you have watched this video till now, please type code of the day PAISA, PAISA. That's an Indian word for penny, rupee. Alright, I will know that you have watched this video till now if you type PAISA. Feel free to share this video to your friends, photographers, cousins who love photography, because they should also feel the taste of earning from their passion via this passive income. Alright, anyways, please feel free to join my Facebook group for all detailed queries, and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.